So we're here at the Cardinal Manufacturing Student-Run Business Open House. Cardinal Manufacturing is our business. We run out of the Olivestrom High School. So we're here at Olivestrom, the Technical Education Department, the shop here where we teach all of our tech ed courses, but our highest level course for our seniors actually operate a student-run business, and it's a manufacturing job shop. And we're just kind of showcasing the program and students' talents to our community tonight. I started here in 2005. We started the student-run business, Cardinal Manufacturing, in 2007. So yeah, we're going on 17 years of running the business. So it continues to grow and expand each year. I mean, it's really fun. It's like a good event. A lot of these people I don't see very often. We've had people drive from a ways away. They've all supported us, connected. I just talked to Mark Tyler. He's from OEM Fabricators. Haven't seen him in a while. One guy drove all the way. I think he said 4.5 hours up here. He does blogging about us. So it's just promoting the idea. And even though it's all about technical skills, it's really the least important thing we worry about. We really focus our efforts on teaching kids to be strong, employability skills, people skills, just communication skills, what employers expect, the transferable skills that are going to help all of them, even though we're doing it through technical education and through machining and welding and fabricating and woodworking. You know, I hope they're seeing our students they're giving other students a chance to practice their professionalism, and I'm hoping and I know they are witnessing our students handling themselves in a very professional way and communicating clearly, and evident that we've done a good job planning. And these kids are the skills that they can take on to their future careers, future training that they might go to. We certainly don't tell them to go in any one direction. There's amazing opportunities in the future with going into apprenticeship programs, military branches, universities, technical colleges, on-the-job training. But we want to set the foundation of good, solid employability skills. If you want to learn more about this program, certainly reach out to us. But otherwise, you can go onto our website. I always tell people that check out, we have some short videos, and that's the 5-10 minute commitment to see what we're about. You can go on, and we have some podcasts that are longer, hour, half-hour ones, so you can listen to and hear all about this story. We have a book we wrote about 50 pages long. That's on our website as well. You could read it. It's a couple hour read. We actually are working with a lot of schools now, so if you have a school in your area interested, we do workshops and we travel around speaking and presenting and basically helping other student-run business start up now that we've been doing it for the past 17 years.
Hi, so I'm Connor Schiffelbein. I am a CNC machinist on the floor of Cardinal Manufacturing. It's really cool here at Cardinal because it's a really on-floor experience. You're in a business, real people come with real jobs. Everything's always the same. You're always doing something. The fact that you're actually dealing with money and having to make a deadline with a part, it's really cool. It builds your experience going into the real world significantly. So my favorite part about working in Cardinal Manufacturing is just the environment and all the people. It's always a fun environment. Everybody's always going to have good faces, having humor, laughter, but then also the fact that getting a job done, it brings the business aspect. So in the future, I plan to go into an apprenticeship in the electrician field, doing everything with CAD and CAM on the machinist floor. Kind of builds everything for doing everything with wires and electronics. So I didn't want to do the normal college experience. I wanted to go into something different. I wanted to follow my brother's footsteps, who also went into the apprenticeship. He went into plumbing, and I wanted to do the same but mix it up a little bit. So electrician field sounds like up my alley.
So my name is Cassidy Coxling. I'm the marketing manager here at Olivestrom Cardinal Manufacturing, and my role within the program is creating social media posts about what goes on within our shop. We also do a lot of advertising. Lately, my biggest project here has been advertising this open house right here. So what I love about being a part of this program is that I'm gaining the employability and professional skills that I wouldn't be gaining otherwise in the classroom. So this is my first year a part of Cardinal Manufacturing. I'm a senior, and I feel like even just being a part of this for 1 year, I've gained so much.
Hi, I'm Duke Berg. I actually worked at Chippewa Valley Technical College in the machine tool as a support person. And when I retired, I need to get involved with the kids again because I actually miss the kids. So I came out here in 2008, and mainly I do the repair maintenance for them. The same thing I did at Chippewa Valley Technical College. It's a good place to work. It's good to be around the kids. It's an excellent place to work with Tyson and Craig, knowing that what they do to keep this program going. It's nice to be out in the community and see that the community supports this school and the Cardinal Manufacturing as much as they do. I've heard several stories about what they say is the kids academically aren't that interested in school, but they get in here and they just flourish. They're fun to work with, they work hard, they're gaining a skill. A lot of them go on to CBTC, some of them go on to Stout, they go to other engineering schools, and it's interesting. And the kids are always good. This school has got one of the best programs in the United States. I mean that. So these students learn a trade here. They go on to two-year college, or they may go into engineering. But they go out in industry and they're making money for their employer. They're making a good living for themselves, they're making money for their employer is making money, and that's where the big money comes in. Because that employer is going to start exporting, and that's where the money comes back to the United States. So it starts here and ends up with export. That's the best we can do.
Inserts, this is the first program. It's facing off metal, it's turning off metal, and it's just drilling a hole, so then it's set to go for the second operation, which is like threading.
You're everywhere.
You spent my money on a water bottle. I told you, you can have some of my money. Yeah, you don't have it. Yes, I do. Ricky has it.
Yeah.
I still have